Hi, and welcome to Total Therapy Solutions. My name's Tony Maritato. I'm a licensed physical therapist, and this YouTube channel is dedicated to helping individuals learn more about the total knee replacement surgery. Now, whether you've already had surgery or you're planning on having surgery, my goal is to help provide you with the resources that will help you optimize your recovery with less pain, less stress, and most importantly, less frustration. I've been treating patients following a total knee replacement since 2006. Before that, I was a personal trainer and strength coach. I just love the human body, and anything I can do to help improve somebody's recovery is really what makes me happy. So if you have questions, absolutely search the channel. I've answered hundreds of questions over the last 10 to 15 years. But if there's something that you can't find, send me a message, post your message in the comments under any of the existing videos, and I'll do my best to find it, to answer it, and upload new content.